Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next topic is mode. The most frequent value in a data set is called mode. कि एक जो सीरीज या डेटा जो आपको गिवन होता है उसके अंदर जो वैल्यूज मोस्ट रिपीटेडली आ रही होती है मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली आ रही है दैट इज योर मोड और द हाईएस्ट फ्रिक्वेंसी a number with the highest frequency is called as mode. फ्रिक्वेंसी क्या होता है कि जो नंबर कितनी दफा रिपीट हो रहा है दैट इज द called as frequency of the any class or any group. So the most frequent value in a data is called mode कि एक नंबर जो आपके पास गिवन है जितनी दफ़ा रिपीट हो रहा है अगर मोस्ट ऑफन जो नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है और वो आपके पास क्या होगा मोड होगा. सो अ नंबर विद हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी इंडिविजुअल सीरीज फाइंड द मोड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सीरीज. अब आपने ये जो आपके पास नंबर्स हैं जो सीरीज है इसमें से आपने क्या करना है फाइंड करना है मोड. अब कौन सी वैल्यू यहाँ पे मोस्टली रिपीटेड हो रही है 2 3 4 4 5 4 5 6 4 4. अब इट्स ऑब्वियस कि 4 इज रिपीटिंग मोर ऑफनली so the mode value of this series is 4. Next series 3 4 5 5 5 6 3 7 7 7 8. So it's clear 5 and 7 they are the mode values of the individual series. Discrete series. In discrete series we have class we have a data set for, which is numbers 4 5 7 12 25 17 and their frequency is given 2 3 9 2 3 1. So we have to find the mode of the series. So a number with the highest frequency is the mode value of the series. So in first example we have 7 and similarly in second we have 7 as well as 17. In continuous series, first we would construct class boundaries if required, inclusive to exclusive. We will take it to the inclusive to the exclusive. Step 2, highlight the model class. Step 3, formula. Mod is equal to low the group which you will select after constructing the class boundary. उस particular group में से आप क्या करोगे, you will find out your mode value. So lower value of that group plus f of m minus f of 1 over 2 into f of m minus f of 1 minus f of 2 into I. So L is lower class boundary of model class, Fm is the frequency of model class, F1 is frequency of previous class of model class, F2 is frequency of next class of model class, and I is the width of class, is a gap between class interval. It's clear? So we will find the mode of this following series which is continuous. First we will convert it from inclusive to exclusive by constructing the class boundaries of this series. First it is 30 to 39. We will make it 39.5 and next class will start from 39.5. So it is 30 to 39, 39.5, 40.5, 39.5. जो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट क्लास होगी उसकी जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और पिछली क्लास का जो एंडिंग वैल्यू है उन दोनों वैल्यूज की जो नंबर्स होंगे दैट वुड बी सेम. ठीक है. I have already told you how to create the class boundaries. The difference divided by 2 would be added and subtracted. So here is the class boundary. So we have selected a group which is 60 to 69 and its frequency is 304. So we must have F2 is the frequency of next class and F1 is the frequency of the previous class and Fm is the frequency of this group. So we have all our frequency. So mode is equal to L plus F of m, frequency of that model class minus F of 1, frequency of the previous class, 2 into F of m, frequency of the second class, upcoming class, and minus F of n minus F of 2 into I. L is equal to 59.5 f of m is equal to 304, f of 1 is equal to 190, f of 2 is equal to 211, I is equal to 10. So you have to practice it by calculating the mod value. So it would be your these are your answers, which is 65. Here you have an assignment. Calculate mode of the following data, which have class, interval, frequency. I can give you a hint over here that first convert this class interval into class boundary. Then you have frequency. So select the model class and find out the mode value of the discontinuous series.